Hello friends, I am Dr. Amrita Vanimbe, pediatrician and nutrition expert, and this is my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. In this channel, I'll be sharing with you lot of interesting but at the same time healthy recipes especially for your kids. So definitely subscribe to my channel. Many times it happens that we have a heavy lunch and so we just want to eat something light for dinner. At that time, especially in this season, Kadhi Chawal is a very good option. In fact, it is one of the favorite dishes in my family. Kadhi can be made in lot of ways, but today I am going to share with you my innovative recipe of Anokhi Kadhi and Swad Bhare Chawal. To make this Anokhi Kadhi, I am going to use coconut milk as the base. The other ingredients are 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped. Then I have taken here 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds aid digestion. Then few curry leaves. Now this is the green paste which is going to give it a nice color and flavor too. For this green paste I have taken 1 green chili as we are going to make it for kids. Along with it I have taken 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 6 to 7 garlic cloves. I have made the paste using all these ingredients. Then I have taken here 1 teaspoon of besan and salt to taste. Now at first we will make a paste of besan and little bit of water. I have made a smooth paste of besan and water. Now let us start preparing the kadhi. On one side I have kept 2 cups of water for boiling and on one side I have kept my vessel for heating. Now my vessel is hot. I will add oil to it. This I will add jeera and methi seeds. Now I will add my onions and I will fry them for 1 or 2 minutes. Let us add curry leaves and tomatoes and we will saute them for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now I will add my green paste to this tempering and I will just saute for half a minute. Now let us add half a cup of boiling water to this mixture. I will add the besan paste. We will let the entire mixture cook for about 5 minutes. You have to stir the mixture intermittently while it is cooking. Our besan mixture is now cooked. Now let us add salt. Now I will lower the flame and then add coconut milk to it. Once coconut milk is added, you have to just bring it to one boil. While boiling it, you have to stir it. You do not have to boil much after adding coconut milk. I am adding half a cup of water to this again. Our coconut kadhi is now ready. For our Swad Bhare Chawal, I have taken here 2 cups of washed rice, then 1 medium size onion finely chopped, 1 medium size tomato finely chopped. Now for our tempering, I have taken here 1 tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of haldi powder. Now this is 1 teaspoon of biryani masala. This masala is going to give a nice flavor and aroma to our rice. Then this is 2 teaspoon of curd. Curd gives it a little bit tangy flavor and it is also a rich source of protein. So I am going to add it in my rice and salt as per taste. We will also require 4 cups of hot water. We are going to prepare this rice in a pressure cooker. So now let's start preparing it. Now I have kept my pressure cooker for heating, and simultaneously I have kept 4 cups of water for boiling. Now once it is hot, I have added oil. I will add jeera, then haldi powder. Now I will add onions, and we will just fry it for a minute. Now let us add tomatoes and fry it for 1 or 2 minutes. Now I will add my rice and we will just saute it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I will add biryani masala to this and mix well. So let us now add our curd and salt. And then we are going to mix it properly. The rice is looking very nice with the light yellow color and with red color of tomatoes in between. So now let us add our boiling water to this rice. Now I will cover this with a lid and I will cook rice for 4 whistles. Our rice is now ready. Now time to serve our Anokhi Kadhi with Swad Bhare Chawal. Our Anokhi Kadhi with Swad Bhare Chawal are ready. Have it for your dinner along with achar and see how you feel. This meal is ideal for monsoons. You can even drink kadhi as it is like a soup. Friends, I am sure your family members are going to like this Anokhi Kadhi along with Swad Bhare Chawal. The kadhi really tastes yum and the chawal also has a mild flavor. This chawal goes very well with the kadhi, so definitely make it. I'll be sharing many more dinner recipes in my future videos. So keep watching. Bye bye friends. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.